Hello everybody, this is Master BC here. Hold on. In the last video I did of Will You Press a Button, you could barely hear us. And yes, there is some YouTubing going on in the background. We are in one room, so it's like very complicated to do so many YouTubes at once. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to do a little bit of a redo on the last video.
Yeah, when we did it.
We have a batter.
Yeah, we probably got it.
All
Hold on.
favor and Quentin, say aye. All opposed?
Me.
Sorry guys, we're gonna have to change our little area. We're gonna have to change everything. We do not like that map. That map was evil.
Okay, I have literally got a computer over on this side of me, like right over there, and one right here.
Alright, let's start this new game.
Soon I'll have one right here,
What was that
everywhere.
other game? I don't even remember that other map. What was that map you were playing?
But I'm playing Will You Press the Button again. You can actually hear me this time. I'm
Hey,
glad.
you just want, can we make like a YouTube video as well? This is hard because like it's a small stream. I just really want to just do
we still have like, we have to do something more fun.
Yeah, okay. You are a dictator for your country, but all other countries are destroyed.
What?
You are a dictator of your country, but all other countries are destroyed. That means you'd be a dictator of everything. Basically.
Let's go.
But why would I want?
I want to at least make it like.
How many people press the button? So I'm good. People have made a remake of your favorite canceled TV show, but you are the only person who has watched it.
Alright.
Let's
We
do
start
it.
in the water. This is already looking up for us.
Alright. I'm gonna
This place looks
sign
nice.
in a little bit.
There's that
I'm
homeless
glad I
that
have
we love in all these-
this Mac right here for now. What's this? I don't get that. Oh, wait. I had caps lock on. That's weird.
Oh,
Okay. Here we are.
We're replacing the button.
Thank you, the 22 people that actually subscribe to this main channel.
Let's go.
I'm actually very appreciative of this. I'm kind of probably gonna keep this music in the background. It's Minecraft music, so. And like, I'm a Minecraft fan, so why not? Yeah, I'll still be talking in the background, but oh well.
Alright.
You can probably hear me on that video too.
I'm on y'all.
Oh, we have
Tomorrow!
Nice Greenland.
For one, tomorrow I'm gonna do this real quick. Tomorrow I will be doing some more travel and talk videos.
Horses.
So hope to see you all there.
Sorry, Chip, Charles, we have to sacrifice
Okay.
you. We have to
Turn the
kill you.
Statue of Liberty into you, but it can move and attack when you die. So basically, Attack on Titan. Except statue form.
Sorry, Cal.
Yeah, I yell a lot. That's what you do when you're in the life of a YouTuber. And I press the button, and that group chat won't go away. Yes, I have this little background right here. This is a TV. That's something. I don't know. Here's a hat. I stapled up a blanket to the wall, so it looks nicer than it did. There's a lot of clothes piled up because my mom loves to pile up my dresser with clean clothes instead of putting it all away in my dresser.
I'd say like back here.
Good.
Right back there.
Okay. You don't have to go through puberty, but you can't reproduce. if you don't go through puberty, your voice would be different.
I got already some oats.
Your voice would still be like high as a pitched whale.
Like this.
Oh,
A nice little
it'll be this high.
land in the wall.
No,
Mickey. But yeah, I hate my voice like in my videos. I might do a vlog in a little bit, cause why not? I'll even react to my old videos on this channel. I want to see my first video again. Oh yeah, we can use YouTube on this now. Let's see.
Look, I'm thinking we might
This
do
is
it out.
Brandon Caldwell watching Cody do something stupid.
No.
thank you.
Yeah, look. We might get a house in there.
Okay,
and, like,
that's
build it
one of
up
my
a little
favorite
bit, like,
videos.
build that little house thing, and then build it up from the back into
But-
the mountain and have like a little hideout thing.
I'm hoping to get this new equipment soon.
Alright.
Why would I want to not go through puberty? I want kids when I grow up. I want them to know their dad was a legend on YouTube. Or at least somewhat a legend.
Yeah, I'm like that. You have a
I pressed the button. I didn't mean to press that.
I gotta show you. Yeah, you did.
Oh, I didn't. I hate that.
Alright.
You can have your favorite food, but every time you eat it, you will be grounded for eating it.
It's on easy. I can switch it.
No, for I was that.
For how long?
And what type of grounding?
For how long?
Get a jungle tree and
That's my freaking question to you all. How long would you be grounded? Jeez.
Me, I would be grounded.
But hold on, real quick.
that looks like a penis.
Alright,
So right here.
now, I just got this little fella today
That's like not a lot enough.
as
space.
a second anniversary gift.
Yeah, wait,
And
that's
I want you all-
Yeah.
Hopefully you can hear me. I want you all to give her a name. Because she has no name.
I got
She has no name.
There's a whole bunch of oak over here.
Not yet. And
After we build the house.
I would love for you all to think of a name. I'm gonna set her right over here. For now. She won't stay. Okay, she stayed. I got Bun Bun up here in my little shelf. You could actually see it.
Oh, sorry.
See him. Or her. I can't remember what it was, but you could see her ears. His or her ears. It depends on what kind of grounding, but if it's a favorite food, like, I don't have a favorite food. I don't. Every food's my favorite, so wouldn't I be grounded for eating? A period?
Like broccoli.
I would not touch broccoli. I'm sorry, I would not touch broccoli.
Broccoli
There
with
we go.
cheese.
That is okay. You are the most beautiful person in the world, but you're so mean that you have no friends. Ain't that what people in high school do?
Oh dang, bro, you gotta make this one bigger. Wait, no, leave that right
So basically, there's no problem there. I actually like this setup a little more. Cause like instead of falling, it's like I'm just sitting over here on stuff, and it's like I've got this little setup right
Has that
here,
shape,
like
needs
right
to
here
move.
with my school Chromebook right here. I've got this little thing right here. I asked for Christmas a tarp. Hope I get it, cause I need a tarp for YouTube. Get a little background scenery.
Right.
And hoping to get this equipment. Okay. So, in the topic of mean, like, there's a lot of mean people in this world. Like, a lot of mean people in this world. And I would probably say it's like, if you're gonna be mean, like, what's the point in living? Without friends, it's nothing. You can't do nothing without friends. Like, seriously. So, I'm gonna pass on that one.
We might put on these.
Next button. Alright? The world goes back in time, reshaping history. Nazi Germany wins the war, all fronts emerge as victorious. But you were never born, thus never experienced it, nor live life itself.
Yeah, we need to get more wood. Here's this.
Oh my god.
It's almost
452 pressed it. Why would you want that? Why? You will become invincible, but very sensitive to pain. Invincible means you can't feel pain. So that's contradicting itself. So it's like irrelevant.
I've been just really bored for the past few days. Went to school, and that's really catching up everything pretty much. School is the thing that's making me not do anything. I come home, I'm like, I don't want to do anything. Besides just watch YouTube. Than
Oh,
either being
Daddy.
right.
I have 3 months gold on my Xbox. Okay, no. Because if you're invincible, you can't feel pain. Like, if you're invincible,
You said that like so badly. No.
you can't feel pain if you're invincible, but it says you become very sensitive to pain. It makes no sense. At all. Get a watch that makes you invisible at any time, but you cannot use the invisibility to be a pervert or stalker. If you do, the watch electrifies you to death.
Or guess I'm dying. No, I'm just kidding.
What if you're
If
wearing
you
rubber
guys can
gloves?
find a background,
I'm
fellow
just kidding.
YouTuber is YouTubing up.
What if it accidentally happens as, like,
more wood.
you're not doing anything bad, and you accidentally, like, hear somebody in the bathroom, and it's like, uh-oh, I gotta go. Just turn invisible and just walk out and accidentally see them,
See some
and it
scary,
zap you to death,
scary
it'd be like,
monsters.
wait, why would this happen to me? Why would it? Oh. Yeah. I had to move something out of my way. So basically, that's contradicting itself again. I would probably say no. Let's not do that.
It's getting dark.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to say
I'm gonna
last
put
one.
on-
You become
Peaceful
friends with
for
your
now.
favorite celebrity, but they know you only as a
Sure that
dinosaur
we can build,
as dinosaur underpants.
because we don't want to restart again. I mean, we didn't do a video.
You cannot call you anything
I don't know
else.
what I'm talking about.
Hey, I mean, if I get called dinosaur underpants, I'm like, I don't care. At least I get to see
All
my
we need
favorite
is a
celebrity.
Door right now.
I'm gonna call Markiplier celebrity, because
Dang.
he's cool. I'll call all YouTubers celebrities. That's literally what I do. Except me, I'm not a celebrity yet. So, yep. Well, I guess that's it for this episode of Will You Press the Button? And,
Oh, I shall find
in the next video, I hope you will want to see it. I will be reacting to my old videos. You won't be able to see the screen because I don't know how to do that projecting thing yet. Where there's a corner screen. I don't know how to do that yet. But in the future, I hope I do. So, this is Master BC,
Oh.
signing off.